Hello there. Today I am going to do sort of an unboxing of a Goddess Provisions box. They seem to be reworking their business, and I just signed up to just try it out. So I've got, I think 3 months I signed up for. So I'm not sure, honestly, if this is the way things are going to continue to be or they're changing. So that little heads up. All right, if you're interested in tarot, divination, any kind of cards, hit the like button, subscribe so you can get more of stuff like this. All right, so what's in this box? This box came in November, although it's possible that it was an October box. I'm not sure. So there was this Fire of Transformation incense sticks, and it comes in this really sweet little box. How nice this is. So made in Nepal using ancient Buddhist techniques, and the little sticks are kind of small, so it's a pretty gentle smell, and they wouldn't. So I think if you're like really sensitive to incense sticks, like I can't burn a standard regular incense stick for very long. It gets to me. But it looks like this one, I could do it and even let it stay for a while. So it's got cardamom, juniper, saldup, I guess. I don't know what that is, and lemongrass. So I'm looking forward to trying that. It does smell good. I haven't looked at everything. I just undid it. So, all right, we've got, oh, I thought it was like a little reading cloth. So this is a, let's zoom out. Whoops, wrong way. It's a lunar calendar. Oh, it's kind of nice. So it has the equinoxes on it, and it's got the different moon phases as well as the astrological symbols in the moon phases. So that's kind of handy, and it's got a a little pocket here. You could put a rod or a string through it to hang it up. So that's nice. Let's go back down. Embrace transformation. Okay, so here's our, we don't want any spoilers. But that's lovely artwork, isn't it? With the, I think that's a, okay, I'm confused. I don't know if that's a butterfly or a moth. It looks like to me, it looks like butterfly wings, but the body looks a little more moth-like. So I'm not sure. Let me put that over here. All right, and then this I did open so I wouldn't struggle it on camera. So it came in this sort of bubble wrap. That's interesting. I wonder what I got. And it is a Mystical Musings and Divination Diary made with vegan leather and quartz crystal. These pages are filled with magic. Okay, so this is inspiring me to talk a little bit about vegan leather and this kind of packaging. So this is plastic, y'all. That's plastic, and this is paper. So it says 100% recycled paper, but that's plastic. So, and then what I wanted to say about vegan leather, so if you've watched some of my videos, you know that I do leather crafting. So what I want to say about vegan leather is it's somewhat problematic, because guess what they're using most of the time? Oil-based products, plastics. There are some fiber-based vegan leather, but that's not what most of it is. And it doesn't hold up as well as leather does. So yeah, there's that. So, but it's okay, but it's a really pretty little book. And these look like they would be fun to color in. You know, you could illustrate this, use it nicely. It's got the ribbon. So those are all nice things. And this looks like pyrite to me, but let's double check. Nope, I'm wrong. Hematite. Ground yourself with the power of hematite. Channel its energy to find balance and strength in your daily life. So we've got this transformation theme going here. And we've got Ethereal Embers, Color Magic Ignites My Practice. And this is, place unopened packet at the high point of any indoor or outdoor wood fire to be mesmerized by rainbow magic. Add additional packets as needed. Irritant, harmful as swallowed, children, blah, blah. Okay, so what is this? All right, so we've got some, some mineral chemicals in here that are going to make the color. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 of those. Jazz up your fire. And we have a rose cocoa mix, drinking chocolate. Ecuadorian fair trade, no refined sugar, rich creamy texture. Okay, that sounds very promising. I'm excited about this one. So what is in it? Let's see. Organic raw cacao powder, organic cacao paste, organic coconut sugar, organic rose sugar, and rose geranium essential oil. So you want to be careful with ingesting essential oils, but it's probably something very minimal. And I'm intrigued that they've got actual cacao in here. It's an Ecuadorian, lightly sweetened with coconut sugar. Okay, so they're saying no refined sugar, but there's coconut sugar. And guess what you have to do to coconuts to make sugar? Yeah, okay. So there's that. I'm not saying that their heart isn't in the right place, but it's not as crunchy as I thought it was going to be. Okay, get creative. Have it chilled, create a mocktail, make fudgesicles, and add to your smoothie. Bake with it. All right, I'm really, this is the thing I think I'm the most excited about in the box. This drinking chocolate, really looking forward to that. And these incense sticks, I think this is a lovely message, and I may try to trim this and put it in the book, or this book may get re-gifted. That is a distinct possibility, and I'll definitely try these. It reminds me of something that we used to have when we were kids back in the 60s, that we would throw on the fireplace, and I don't know how safe it was, but we had fun with it. Okay, so that's it. This is this Goddess Provisions box that arrived in November. It may have been an October box, or it may be a November box. I'm not sure. So I'm kind of excited. I'm expecting to get 2 more. So I will do unboxings of those and see how I like them. Yeah, just kind of a trial, and I'm sharing it so you can see what you think about these products too, see if it's interesting. So I think it's all very interesting. I'm more excited about some elements than others. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more of these boxes, hit the like and the subscribe. Take care. Find something beautiful in your day today. Bye-bye.